Calling case 222642, people of the state of Michigan versus Caven Carter, scheduled for arraignment on violation of probation. Parties' appearances, please.
He's a walk-in.
Yes,
Yeah, not.
He wasn't on the docket.
No, it was not. Okay.
Well, it says here he was sentenced on May of 22. No phone.
I have some information on Mr. Carter.
Okay.
This was the person from last week where he was. Hold on one second. Let me get it.
Thanks, partner.
Says he wasn't a scounder.
No, he never.
Never showed up at all.
Right. He never reported to probation. It looks like he had reached back out to the agent to try to clear the warrant. I was trying to see, I had prepped for him last week.
And what happened last week?
It was a miscommunication with the date.
Oh, I remember.
Yeah.
So I need to set aside a warrant here?
Yes,
Yeah.
please. And for the record, Nicole Casca, P55470, on behalf of Mr. Carter.
Carter set aside the warrant. Okay, so Carter, what have you been doing since you got sentenced back in 22?
I've been working on cars. I did a temp service for a minute. It was just too much. They kept stopping the job, so I just went towards fixing them cars.
You don't have a job at the moment?
No, ma'am.
So you know what you need to do.
And he only owes 128, which my client has told me that he can pay.
Whatever, he went over to flip the script. The boy, he needs a job. He needs some job skills.
I have job skills, Judge. I know how to demolition. I fix on cars.
No. You fixing on cars without any type of certification, which means you can't get hired in anywhere.
Yeah, I'm trying to go back to school with that right now. I'm trying to finish my license, fix my license, so I can go back to school for that now. Currently taking care of all my tickets in 36 districts now.
How old are you?
26.
26. And the last time you had a full-time job was when?
I worked at, I want to say right before COVID started, I worked at a plant on 17 Mile.
Okay, COVID been over for at least 6 months, 9 months to a year. But you don't have a job at the moment?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And I say to you, if you go over to flip the script, they're gonna help you out. They're gonna give you some job skills for free with certification. They're gonna help you find a job. They're gonna get you a job. You got problems with rent, they're gonna help you with the rent. I tell you all that, and you tell me no thank you. Did I get that right?
No, ma'am.
Oh, I didn't get that. I misunderstood you.
I wasn't saying like no thank you, but
Okay, and then I think I said to somebody else earlier today, you got some issues over at 36 with your driver's license to help straighten that out too.
I just went to court last 2 weeks ago, and they threw out all my tickets. So my license is really taken care of. I'm just waiting on all of it to process, so I can go to Secretary of State and pay my reinstatement fee.
Oh, well, good.
Yes, ma'am.
But you ain't got no job.
No, I actually just, no. Another thing about the job stuff is I'm like a loner. I like being by myself, so I don't have to deal with other people's problems. I apologize. I'll just flip the script thing.
Yeah. Stop talking.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell him to just sit down while I cool down. I'll be back.
Have a seat. She'll be back. It's best that you let her cool off.
Here she is.
Okay, thanks. Back up. Back up.
I want to put the parties back in front of the court, please. He got sentenced in May of 22. It's now June of 23. Nobody's seen him. Don't nobody know nothing that he says he's done, has been done, or hasn't been done. I offered some man and some assistance. He told me, yeah, I got an excuse for everything. Miss Costa, you want to give it your best shot?
I do, Judge, please. Okay, so Judge, I think there may have been, if the court remembers, and I know it's going back ways, but I know the court has a really fantastic memory. This was his first time through, on any adult criminal case. I think there was some confusion, after he was in court, because the sentencing was by Zoom. On Mr. Carter's part, I did advise him that he always could have contacted the court or his attorney. He did not know that he had either of those two options. I know that he's been crime-free. He has not picked up any new cases. He's been doing everything he's supposed to be doing as far as, except not reporting to a probation.
How would I
officer.
know that? He's never reported.
Well, if he had picked up a new case, Judge, we would have known a lot sooner than today's date.
Has he got a GED? Where is it from?
He does not have a GED yet.
Okay. He hasn't had a steady job.
Well, he has a high school diploma, Judge.
See, well, how would I know that? He's never reported.
If I may, Your Honor,
You go right ahead. Help me out here.
he doesn't have any new criminal activity. He hasn't had any since being sentenced. So the attorney was correct in that fact. And let me see about he said a high school diploma.
Yes.
Carter.
It's a misdemeanor. I don't even know if y'all got any information on him.
We may. I'm gonna look just 1 second, Judge. Search. Education. Yep, so nope, we don't have a pre-sentence report
Oh,
here.
you know,
Nope.
in the back of my mind, I'm saying to myself, well, if he don't care, why should I care? If I'm trying to offer him opportunities for a better life, but he's not interested, I should probably just save that slot for somebody else.
Judge, I think he would like to avail himself of that opportunity.
That's what you think. He haven't said a word other than he don't need no more job skills. He don't need no certification with no job skills. He don't need no help with no rent or nothing like that. He don't need no job. He don't need.
I apologize, that's not what I was saying.
Madam Clerk, if you got a piece of paper for flip the script. They got all kind of vocational training for free. Truck driving. You got your license straight. Maybe you want to get a license so you can drive a truck, line haul. I don't know. All I know is they're trying to make life better for young folks just like you. For free. Madam Clerk,
Ma'am,
take his probation out 6 months from today or until he finish flip the script, whichever happens first, and then close him out.
Okay.
You should go over there today. They're right up on the boulevard. You whoop with bus. You can walk from here. Go over there and find out what they got at least. Who knows? When you finish program, you might be in a position, make enough money, go buy a house. Who knows? Maybe you don't want a house. Please have the young man leave in front of the camera. I'm tired. It's taxing. It's real taxing. All I'm trying to do is give him a better life.
So,
It's all set.
yeah, go ahead and go, man. You're all set, man. Just go to flip today. All right,
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah,
Your Honor.
whatever.
then go out in the hallway and do it. Yeah.
Let me finish
Your Honor. Just want to clarify, you said 6 months probation, extend probation for 6 months from today?
Or until he finished, flip the script, whichever
Okay.
happens first.
Or do either one.
I'm not gonna keep trying. You know, I can provide opportunity. I can't make you take it.
Okay.
20th?
Yes.